This video will save you hours. Do not skip if you wish to see how easy it is to withdraw your payout profit from your FundedNext account. Before moving forward, you have to remember that you can request your payout profit at the end of your trading cycle. Firstly, open your FundedNext dashboard, and you will see a screen like this where you can see all your FundedNext accounts in one single place. From here, click on your specific account's dashboard button. Now on the menu bar on the left side of the screen, you will see payout. Click on that. Here you will see your payout balance. You will see some more information here as well. For instance, your account profit, payout profit, account growth, cycle end date, payout method, and last but not least, payout history is here at the bottom. Now in order to request your payout profit, click on the withdrawal request button. Then you have to select a method through which you want to receive your payout profit. Then you have to fill in your information and submit your request. When your payout profit disbursement is done from our end, you will receive an email notification. It's just that simple. And that's all for this video. Do not hesitate to reach out to FundedNext support. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and smash the subscribe button for more videos like this.